the Ninja Luxe Cafe came. There it is. We're gonna put it together. Out of the box, and time to figure it out. Inside the box, we have our accessory and cleaning kit. So our first step is going to take this and test the water for hardness. I've got 4 greens and 1 purple, so I'm at HD1. We have now put the beans in the grinder, filled the water up, and no, I haven't taken all the tape off yet because I want to make sure that it works. Put this in, set it to classic and 12 ounce, and let's see what we do next. We're going to hit start brew, and it's going to go through the cycle and get itself set up. And this water gets thrown out. It's doing its own reset because it has its own computer in there, so it's all on its own. We'll get back to you in a few minutes. Now we flushed the machine. Next we will dial in our espresso. Let me get that set. First step was to place the funnel, this piece onto here, which I did, and to place it in here. We set it in, set it to espresso. Now we press start grind. It's on its own. And we're going to do this 2 times. Next we take our weight down, line it up, lock it in. Hold on, I need to. Hold on. Start brew. We'll come back in a moment. We've got our espresso. Now we're going to start with the frothing. We picked dairy and thin, as it says. And it does it all on its own, so let's see. I'm going to start the froth. We'll come back in a minute and see how it does. It's a-spinning. Cappuccino number 1. It's finished. Let's give it a taste. Oh, it's pretty good. Now we got to do another one to finish the setup. Morning, new cappuccino. Let's try it. Second cup is finished, and it is delicious. I 100% recommend the Ninja Luxe. It's an amazing espresso machine.